There are so many exotic bugs present in the world that you barely know about. Today's video of Magna Fantasia brings you the weirdest insects that have long horns that look like alligators. Some of them even have hard shells like tortoises, and some just make a host out of their prey for their nymphs. Want to know about all of them? Then hit the subscribe button first. Also, press the bell icon so you can be the first person to receive the upcoming update from our channel. This video is going to be a treasure for nature lovers and a nightmare for those who are afraid of insects like me. Catakcanthus incarnatus. This insect is also known as the man-faced stink bug because of some unusual spots on its body that resemble a human face. Interestingly, they have black lines at the end of their bodies that look similar to human hair. This bug species was discovered back in 1778. These bugs are usually found in Southeast and Southern Asian countries. They come in various colors, like vibrant orange, cream, and bright yellow. These vibrant colors help them stay safe from predators, as brightly colored insects are often dangerous or taste really bad. They don't feed alone, they gather in groups to have their meals. And yes, they do fly. Hickory horned devil. Have you ever seen such a big caterpillar? This is the largest caterpillar native to North America. The hickory horned devil is a 6-inch long caterpillar and is the larval stage of the regal moth. It is said that this caterpillar is as fat as a hot dog. They can be bright orange or blue-green in color, with 2 pairs of curved horns that can be yellow or orange. They also have paired rows of spines on their bodies, giving them an extremely dangerous and creepy appearance. But in reality, they aren't that harmful. The adult regal moth can be 12 to 15 centimeters long, bigger than most insects. The hickory horned devil usually feeds on leaves from walnut, hickory, and persimmon trees. Fulgora laternaria, alligator bug. They are also known as lanternflies, peanut bugs, or most commonly, alligator bugs. These bugs can grow up to 3 to 4 inches in length and have an unusual protuberance on their heads that's 10 to 16 millimeters long. They have large false eye spots on their wings that are yellow. Alligator bugs use these false eyes to scare predators and can also secrete a foul-smelling substance. They are native to the humid forests of America. Interestingly, they knock their heads on hollow trees to attract females for mating. Their primary food is tree sap. Hashat, longhorned Orbweaver spider. This isn't your typical house spider. It is considered one of the oldest spider species on Earth. Only females of this species have extremely long horns, which are 2 to 3 times the size of their bodies. The longhorned Orbweaver spider's tough shells can be white, black, yellow, or red. Female spiders build their nests on tree branches, and some even create webs along various pathways. Unlike most spiders that wait for prey to get trapped in their web, these spiders hide under leaves near their webs, which helps them strike their prey and stay hidden from predators. It's fascinating for nature lovers, but definitely adds a new entry to the list for those afraid of spiders. This is one of the strangest insects in the world. There are 7 species of Spiny Devilcid, and all of them have spikes covering their bodies. These spikes help them stay hidden from predators. Though they don't have teeth, their jaws are extremely powerful, strong enough to make you bleed. Isn't it incredible that without teeth, they can still cause that much damage? These omnivorous creatures feed on various plants and sometimes small insects. Don't you think they look like a cross between a frog and a spider when viewed from the front? I'm not kidding when I say stay till the #1 insect. It's going to give you a big shock for sure. Eolia militaris. Eolia militaris is also known as the panda ant, but these are actually wasps without wings that look similar to ants. They have a black and white furry body resembling pandas, hence their name. Their bodies can grow to more than 7 millimeters in length. The males have wings, but the females are mostly wingless. However, don't be fooled by their cute panda appearance. They can deliver a very painful sting to predators or prey. Although their stings aren't that harmful to humans, they can still be very painful. Would you dare to pick one up if you found one? Ceratotos gangis. This is a type of moth, but it's one of the weirdest and most unusual ones that nobody wants to encounter. They look like a moth with some centipede-like organs attached to them, 4 to be exact. These organs play a crucial role in their lives because the males use them to attract females. They secrete a special scent that the females are drawn to. Their abdomens are commonly bright red and sometimes bright yellow, while the hind wings of adults are usually white and the forewings are brown. Snake imitating caterpillar. These caterpillars are species of hawk moths. Hawk moth caterpillars have developed various protective tricks to stay safe from predators, but the snake imitating caterpillar is the most unique and weirdest one. This caterpillar actually looks like a small snake, which is incredibly helpful in protecting them from predators. Birds and other insect-eating predators mistake them for real snakes and steer clear. Honestly, they really do look like snakes. Brazilian treehopper. There are 21 different species of treehoppers around the world, but the Brazilian treehopper is by far the weirdest. It has unusual appendages coming out of its thorax with 4 spherical dots made of chitin. The purpose of these appendages is to protect them from predators, as they resemble a type of fungus when viewed from above. Their appendages are almost like antennae for catching radiation or signals. They are usually found in Australia, Asia, Africa, and North and South America. This unusual bug can grow between 5 to 7 millimeters in length and honestly looks like an alien or an insect from another planet. A plant hopper or waxtail hopper. They look like grasshoppers but with unusual tails. Their tails secrete a strange wax that is essential for their protection. Female plant hoppers also use this wax to protect their eggs from predators. Their appearance helps them blend easily into plants and leaves, and they hop like grasshoppers, so if you see one, it's best to run far away. They use their straw-shaped mouths to suck the nectar from trees, which is their source of nutrients. Their nymphs are usually white and know exactly how to use various tactics to protect themselves from predators. Their bodies all serve as camouflage against predators. The scorpion fly. The scientific name of the scorpion fly is Mecoptera. This species can grow between 3 to 35 millimeters in length. It gets its name scorpion fly because of its curved tail, which resembles a scorpion's sting. These creatures primarily feed on dead insects and those caught in spider webs. They have a yellow or black body, a reddish head, dark patches on their wings, and of course, a sting attached to their bottom. Despite its appearance, this sting is not poisonous and serves only a mating purpose. Mecoptera are known to be one of the ancient species, believed to be the ancestors of butterflies and flies, dating back 250 million years. Emerald cockroach wasp. At number 1, we have one of the weirdest and creepiest insects. Emerald cockroach wasps have a metallic bluish-green color with a shiny and colorful exoskeleton. Their bodies usually measure 1 to 1.5 centimeters in length, with females being slightly larger than males. A weird fact about them is that they prey on cockroaches, but instead of killing them outright, they inject a special kind of liquid into the cockroach's body, essentially turning them into zombies. The wasp then lays eggs inside the cockroach's abdomen, turning the cockroach into a living host for their nymphs. The nymphs feed on the cockroach's body until they're mature enough to venture into the world. Cockroaches not only lose their lives, but what happens to them is downright spooky. Which one of these insects seems the weirdest to you? Tell us by commenting below.